In Korea, kimchi is not just a Korean dish that's rich in flavor. It also reflects a part of Korean culture that's rich in history. And if you want to know more about this, the place to go is the Pulmo 1 Kimchi Museum. The Kimchi Museum was built to study the culture of kimchi and also serves to provide correct information about kimchi to Koreans and foreigners. Pulmo 1 Inc. originally built the museum in Pildong, Junggu in 1986 for the 1988 Summer Olympic Games. The museum was moved to the Co-X to publicize kimchi to more foreigners. The museum includes displays of historic cooking utensils, a variety of kimchi, and other materials related to making, storing, and eating kimchi, including a special highlight about kimjang, preparing kimchi in a special way for winter. Data on fermentation and the beneficial effects of kimchi are also on display. The library, tasting room, and kimchi shop are also helpful in helping to understand kimchi. But my favorite is the instruction room, where we got down and dirty making our own Korean kimchi. Last week, we showed you how to prepare our main ingredient, which is cabbage. Cut into 4 parts, soak in water with salt. While you soak for 6 hours, you can set that aside and make the paste. Apron on, gloves on, all the ingredients in front of me, and now if I can only remember the steps. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's do this. Slice radish into thin strips of about 3 to 4 inches long. Put in a stoneware and add pepper or chili powder. Mix well. You can add as much chili powder as you like, depending on how spicy you want your kimchi to be. Repeat the same process with scallions, cut into small pieces, and mix with chili powder. You'll be able to tell how spicy your kimchi paste is by its color. The redder the mix, the hotter it is. In another stoneware, prepare half a cup of chili powder and add a tablespoon of ground garlic and teaspoon of ground ginger. Make sure the ratio of garlic to ginger is 3 teaspoons to 1. Add 5 teaspoons of sticky rice soup. This helps to make the powder mix well. Add 3 teaspoons of fermented shrimp and 2 teaspoons of anchovy juice for flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of plum juice to make the paste a bit sweeter. Then add the radish and scallions. When everything is mixed together, you are now ready to spread paste onto the cabbage. Remember to start from the bottom up. Make sure you spread paste evenly, keeping in mind that the bottom part of the cabbage is thicker than the end part of the leaves. Go from leaf to leaf, starting from the outermost leaf going inward. When finished, wrap the outside leaves going in like a baby blanket. This is the end look that we're aiming for, and voila! Your kimchi is ready. Store in the fridge and serve cold.